Hi, Parrots. How are you doing? I hope you had a great day yesterday, and I wonder if anyone had a go at making those paper boats. Hope it went well. It'd be great to hear about it. Did they float? That's the important thing. Today, I wanted to share a story with you. It's one of my favourites. It's about a bunch of dogs that decide to go for a walk, but their walk doesn't end up the way they thought it was. Bit of a shock ending for their walk. Okay, so I'm going to show you the pictures on my iPad, and at the end, I'll show you the link so that if you wanted to see it on your own iPad and look at it again afterwards and other stories, you can. So let's get going with Harry McClary from Donaldsons Dairy, and it's written by Lindsay Dodd. So here we go. Out of the gate and off for a walk went Harry McClary from Donaldson's Dairy. And Hercules Morse, as big as a horse, with Hairy Maclary, Donaldson's Dairy. Bottomly pots, covered in spots, Hercules Morse, as big as a horse, and Hairy Maclary from Donaldson's Dairy. Muffin Maclay, like a bundle of hay, bottomly pots, all covered in spots. Hercules Morse, as big as a horse, and Hairy Maclary from Donaldson's Dairy. There we go. Blitzer Maloney, all skinny and bony, Muffin McClay like a bundle of hay, Bottomly pots covered in spots, and Hercules Morse as big as a horse, and Hairy Maclary from Donaldson's Dairy. Schnitzel von Krumm with a very low tum, Bitzer Maloney, all skinny and bony, Muffin McClay like a bundle of hay, Bottomly pots covered in spots, Hercules Morse as big as a horse, and Hairy Maclary from Donaldson's Dairy. With tails in the air, they trotted down, past the shops and the park, to the far end of town. They sniffed at the smells, and they snooped at each door, when suddenly, out of the shadows, they saw Scarface Claw, the toughest Tom in town. Oh, what's going to happen? Meow, said Scarface Claw. Off with the yowl, a wail and a howl, a stack of paws and a clatter of claws, went Schnitzel von Krumm with a very low tum, Bits of Maloney all skinny and bony, Muffin McClay like a bundle of hay, Bottomly pots covered in spots, Hercules Morse as big as a horse, and Mary McClary from Donaldson's Dairy. Straight back home to bed. I love that story. And if you wanted to see it for yourself, there's a really good website. If I hold this up, your grown ups can get the address, hopefully. There we are, there's the address. And I will read it as well. It is actually the Book Trust org. So it's the booktrust.org.uk. So have fun. Maybe you could have a look at that website. There are lots of other books on there as well. It's quite a good website. Have a great day. Bye.